didn't seem like it was in third gear. Something smells funny.
If your boss asks why we're working on a Sunday, it's because we praise that. Honestly, I feel like you could probably handle a modify if you had like a weekend just to practice.
I had a half-ass highway nap and it's 2 a.m.
Yes. Oh no, it's actually like pushing. And now she's gonna run away.
Zip tie or something, and we're gonna hang it on the frame on both sides. Strands. 2 times. Take them out and fill some.
I think it's loud.
It's even slower when the neighbors come out here and say, let them in the town just driving around like a dumbass. Yeah. She was up. When we got home, she went to the bathroom. She's probably waiting for me to come inside, and then I came inside.
You did 25 laps at, you know, pacing.
Oh, but what's the one right there?
Had a very heavy iron diet.
Oh, shit.
Lay off the Special K.
Guys. Fuck you guys.
The pollen's killing me.
Alright, good team meeting.
I need to get these out so I can kill myself.
Like,
I don't think I could ever go live because Nick and I have too crude of a sense of humor. And
Oh, I got one transmode.
there you go.
canceled.
And it.
Nick, can you
I know it.
pull this up? Because I'm gonna break wires otherwise.
Really.
Well, I'm not hanging on to it.
Demolition Derby track doesn't help because it rattles everything we've got into a bajillion pieces.
Yeah.
Is that what that track was? It was a demo track?
No.
No,
It's not supposed to be. It's labeled as Michigan's premier dirt track.
Mm.
This is what I tightened it with. The best one is when my dad calls me.
Yep.
Oh, jeez.
Get in behind it here.
What? Can I do it from the top, or does it have to be down there?
I just need you to hit this pry
I am up into the floor pan.
well, yeah, I was talking about the angle of the trans.
It's only 419. We're dropping it off the trailer at 3. There's the lip. Catch it right at the bell housing and just kind of pop the bell.
In the bar.
I'm never gonna quit smoking.
How you doing, Dollface?
How you doing, Dollface?
This is why he smokes. Just so he can do impressions.
It was my plan all this time. You can't really even say it was the worst you've run, because it was mechanical failure and you chose to give up the pole. Or, I'm sorry, second place. In exchange for not getting in anyone's way because of the clutch.
Well, it was out of... I was trying to be respectful of Nick and Shane.
Yeah.
Look right here, bud. Okay, we're almost out.
Well, congratulations. It is 4:39.
Oh, breaking the CD axle.
Just like that, kids, before sunrise.
And the slave cylinder is bound up.
Perfect. You know, it actually doesn't look terrible.
It really wasn't. It was slipping, but it still got a lot of material.
That doesn't look terrible either.
We'll save this for, we did it.
We did it. Time. Not even 5 o'clock. Done. we beat sunlight. We're eating breakfast before the sun even comes up.
Yeah, can I do 2 Egg McMuffins? My boss just got online on Facebook. Oh god, he's gonna see what happened. Thank you.
We have food in our hands, and the moon is still out.
We've won. We've done this. Did you have that on for McDonald's?
Yes, I did.
Come on, you got the food.